Again with my slime princess. So if you guys wanted to know, somebody actually already found out, and that person was Ellie Jane. If you guys want to go see her videos, you can. So the secret of the slime. So the slime mystery. So what happened was, not a turtle, not a hamster, it was a monkey. Chimpsy was in here the whole time. So let's get him out. Already got some of it. There he is. He's been stuck in there for like an hour or two. There we go. There's Chimpsy the monkey. He's been stuck in there for days and days and days and days. So I'm going to put another animal in here, and you guys have to guess it. This is called the Guessing Animal Challenge with slime. So let me put another animal in here. So let me just put a hole in here. Ooh, made a weird noise. So do you guys know what animal is in this? Do you know what animal is in this? Huh? It is not. There's a panda, a frog, or a hamster. Comment down below and tell me after this video what animal is inside this slime. So let's get going, and I'll show you a couple more things that we were going to do today. So let's get started. So hi guys, it is me, Unicorn Princess. Mwah. So I'm going to show you a couple things about me and my family. So I do a lot of different things. So if you want to see the video that I show you my room, you can. So let's get started. If you subscribe down below, hit that bell button and do whatever and tell me who is inside the slime. Bye!